We're going to switch over to the phone lines now. We got a phone call from Edward, I think from Ozark, Alabama. Go ahead with your call, Edward.
Yes, sir. I got a house call. I had my house bedroom replaced.
Yes, sir.
At the floor, and about 3 or 4 months ago, 3 or 4 years ago, and now it's fell in on one corner.
Okay, Edward. What kind of issue? Just the whole corner's falling in?
Yes.
Okay, that may be some defective workmanship there.
Right.
Edward, it's real important to know exactly when that happened and whether there's a contract on that or not. So there's a couple of different potential avenues there on defective workmanship and or a contractual nature. But when you talk about 3 or 4 years, you need to work very quickly on that because there's some short statute of limitations in Alabama on some of that.
Not only that, but did you actually have a contract with the individual who's doing the job? Is that individual still around?
Right.
That did that work, or have they, moved on to a different?
And you also have to be able to ultimately establish that that was defective work and not something else that happened. Because once you have this long period of time, there's a lot of things. We've had a lot of storms, a lot of different issues.
Right.
We've got to make sure that's actually a defective work issue.
So, Edward, the biggest thing is there's a lot of questions that you still need that we would have to know, or there's some more information that we'd have to know to ask the right questions. But the main thing that you need to know is, because you're under a specific short time frame in the state of Alabama, you need to act sooner than later. Seek out an attorney licensed in Alabama who does construction defect work, and please call them tomorrow morning and ask them about preserving your rights against this contractor or this individual who may or may not have done some type of faulty work for you. But you need to preserve your claim, because what happens is that's a statute of limitation issue. Mm-hmm. And Ted, we've actually had cases that have come in where individuals didn't know what to do. And now in the state of Florida, you have a 2-year statute of limitations for auto accidents. Right. And it used to be 4. So for an individual who doesn't really, not feel comfortable about what they're doing and they're sitting on their hands, you don't have 4 years to sit on your hands anymore. Nope. You have 2 years. Right. And once that time limit is expired, I don't care how bad your case or how bad your injuries are. I don't care. It doesn't matter who was it. I mean, if that other individual was 100% at fault, your claims are forever barred.
Yes. Act quickly, or forever hold your peace.
Yeah, you're right.